So, how many of you have already given up on your New Year's resolution? Have you given up smoking? Have you started eating healthier?
Disgusting.
Now, you could spend your money on a gym membership. However, according to statistics, 50% of all members have stopped or quit going to the gym after 24 weeks. However, if you started trading the Forex market, you could actually make money and not just waste it. Yes, Forex trading can be risky, but wasn't a risk ordering 4 items from the Apple Store and then they didn't even come in time for Christmas? Or a family member opened the box and dropped it in the same day? Why not put your money somewhere smarter than a gym membership or the latest tech gadget and learn how to trade to generate a second income? Our client longevity is twice as long as the market average, and this is due to our educational training. It's what sets us apart. It allows people a greater opportunity to trade the Forex market successfully. Don't believe us? Check out a review from one of our course graduates, Patrick.
Yeah, so my name's Patrick and I'm based just outside of Gatwick Airport. Before Learn to Trade, I had not traded at all whatsoever before. Learn to Trade, really tailor their programs so that you're going to have some sort of plan you can stick to, you can work towards, and it's going to be able to help you achieve your goals and really get that satisfaction as well. My coach at Learn to Trade is Henry Ward, and I've had quite a few coaching sessions between when I started and now. I've found the coaching sessions really helpful. They've been able to explain some of the complicated things quite simply to me, and I've benefited as a result. So in December last year, I was really happy when I had a result of about 7.5%. And this gave me a really big confidence boost, and I was very proud of myself. I had done some research on YouTube and various other websites about how to get into trading the financial markets. And as a result, I've then began to notice Learn to Trade appeared more and more and more. So I then clicked on their website and noticed that they were actually one of the best trading schools in Europe and had won quite a few awards as a result. And therefore I deemed it to be a good decision to go along to one of their training seminars. And when I did, I was blown away at just how easy it actually was. And I felt like I'd struck a chord with trading.
Register for our free Forex workshop to find out a New Year's resolution that's worth sticking to.